So now let's see how we can work around with animated mattes in guided edit mode. So to do that, I'm going to go around under the guided tab right here, and here you can see that animated matte is an option, and it says reveal video using animated matte overlays. So I'm just going to go around and click on that right here, and once that's done, you can see that it says use animated matte overlays to easily reveal your video or photo. So I'm just going to go around and click on next right here and click on add media. So once I do that, I'm going to go around onto files and folders right here, and let's just go around over here onto, let's say, this particular footage right here and click on open. And once I do that, I can go around and add it onto the video one track right here. So once I do that, you can see that I can open up graphics and it says reveal video mattes right here. So there's different reveal video matte options that open up right here. Let me just go around and bring in simply one of it right here. So let's just go around over here and bands 2. So let's just go around and bring that in onto video track 2 right here, just like this. So let's just go around, add it in video track 2. So this is what you have right here. So now I need to go around over here and click on next right here, just like this. And you can see that it says select the scissors right here to cut it out right here. Right around onto this particular location. Then I need to go around and click on next and then go around onto effects right here. So once I do that, you can see that the video clip 1 is selected, and I need to apply the track matte key up the effect right here onto this particular video clip. And over here, I need to select out the video 2 layer right here. So it says change the effect properties and matte right here to video 2 right here, just like this. And this is what you have. So change the effect properties to matte right here. So I'm just going to go around and say matte luma, that if takes around the brightness of this particular video and applies it over here. So now you can see that that is what you have right here. And if I were to click on next, then this is the end result. As you can see right here, the video reveal is here. It's slowly revealing out the content of the video right here, just like this, by using the matte effect that I chose right here. And once it ends right here, you can see that it simply goes around and shows the full video. So that is how you can utilize the animated mattes inside of guided edit mode inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.